Today we will learn probability, chapter number 15. Introduction of probability. In our daily life, we come across with some situation for which we do not have any definite answer, although we know that what the possible results or outcomes are. For example, when a coin is tossed, it is certain that it will come down, but it may turn up a head or may not turn up head. Second condition, we can say when a die is thrown, it may turn up a particular number 3 or not. Third condition, it may rain today. Above situation predict the uncertainty chance, therefore all are referred to a phenomenon which may or may not occur. The probability estimates the degree of uncertainty regarding the happening of a given phenomenon. We can write here, or we can understand that what is experiment. So we can say an operation which gives some outcomes, results under some given condition is known as the experiment. For example, toss a coin is an experiment with two outcomes, head or tail. Throwing a die is an experiment with 6 outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Experiment is divided into two parts, deterministic experiment and random experiment or probabilistic experiment. According to the definition of deterministic experiment, whose results are known in advance. For example, practical in physics laboratory, practical in chemistry laboratory. Each time the local length of same length is same. So we can say the given example belongs to deterministic experiment. Second is random experiment or probabilistic experiment. For example, tossing a coin, throwing a die, draw a card for a pack of well shuffled deck, 52 cards. Trial. Performing of an experiment repeatedly under similar condition is called a trial. Sample space. Sample space is necessary to find the probability of a given event. First of all, we can say that the set collection of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called the sample space, usually denoted by S. For example, in tossing a coin, there is two possibility, head and tail. So we can make a set S equal to head comma tail. This is called sample space. More example. Next example of space we have in throwing a die. There are 6 possible outcomes. There are 6 possibility. First is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In tossing a coin 3 times, we can write here on the 3 coins there is a possibility maybe all heads, maybe 2 heads 1 tail, 2 head 1 tail in the form of HT, H, THH, HTT, THT and TTH, and all coin have tail. Second form we can write here, throwing 2 die simultaneously. There is many possibilities. On the board die maybe 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4 as shown here. Event. Any outcome or combination of some outcomes consists an event. Each event is a subset of sample space. For example, let S be any sample space whose elements are 1 to 6 when a die is thrown, and let E1 is the event of getting an odd number, then E1 equal to 1 3 5. Let E2 be the event of getting an even number, E2 equal to 2, 4, 6. Let E3 be the event of getting a prime number, then E2 equal to 2, 3, 5. All above events are the part of subset of a sample space. About the playing card, a pack of playing cards has 52 cards in all. There are 26 black cards and 26 red cards. There are 4 suits, so we can write here spade, club, heart and diamond. 13 cards black of spade, 13 cards black of club and 13 cards red of heart and 13 cards red of diamond. Numbering on each card of each suit as S1, we can write here in the place of 1 S, 2, 3 up to 10. Jack, Queen, King. We have actually A, J, Q and K are written in the place of 1, 11, 12 and 13. So in a pack of 52 cards, 4 cards of same number are there. We can say King, Queen, Jack are called the face cards, while the S together with face cards are called the honor cards. Now we will discuss some questions based on probability. For example, a fair coin is tossed. List the sample space. What is P getting head? Means probability getting head. What is probability getting tail? So first of all we have sample space S equal to head comma tail, because we have tossed a coin only one time. Total number is 2 in the sample space. So according to the probability, we have probability equal to number of favorable outcomes upon number of possible outcomes. So P getting head equal to number of favorable outcomes. In the sample space we have only one favorable outcomes. Here is only one head, so we can write here 1, and total number of outcomes is 2, so we can write probability getting head equal to 1 by 2. Same here, probability getting tail. There is only one tail and total number of possible outcomes is 2, so we can write here 1 by 2. Second example, we have a fair die is tossed. List the sample space, state the probability of the event. First is a number less than 3 appears, a number greater than 3 appears, a number greater than or equal to 3 appears. First of all, make a sample space S equal to 1 to 6. Total number of element in the set S equal to 6. First part we have P getting a number less than 3 equal to 1 by 3, because total number in the sample space is 6 and number less than 3 appear in the sample space only 2. Less than 3, 1 and 2, so we can write here 2 by 6, and after simplification we have 1 by 3. Second condition we have let E be the event which denote a number greater than 3. Now see here in the sample space number greater than 3 is 4, 5, 6, so we can write here 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Third condition we have let B be the event which a number greater than or equal to 3. So we can write here greater than and equal to 3. There is only 4 possibility, 3, 4, 5, 6, and total possibility is 6. So we can write here 4 by 6 equal to 2 by 3 is result.